I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up.
Oh shit. Oh my.
And bitch, I'm out the good things, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I know little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. High as fuck, got your life for real. This man left home with a 32 man for real. And me and that nigga geek, we freaking together. And I show his rockin' hoodies and his damn ass weather. That nigga just like me, I ain't know I had that feather. And I need some money, that shit light as a feather. I don't wanna work with you, don't care, that's cool. Singing my heart on his mind right on his fucking stool. No internet, little bitch be with this fucking tool. And now I gotta show my ass, so hold the flex on you. I'm saying that I'ma flex on you. I ain't gotta show you my ass, so hold the flex on you. And with the glizzy, I'ma handle you. Bitches, BB's the one that wear like a fucking coat. And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. Four, while my niggas throw it up. And bitch, I'm out the good things, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I know little bitch, but bitch, I'm in my
Oh my.
high as fuck, got your life for real. This man left home with a 32 man for real.
Ready.
Wait, Josh, do you have like...
Yeah, my brother just nod at me. They want to fuck the club.
I see, I'm so sick of you.
My brother just nod at me. Hey. My brother just nod at me. They want like fuck the clout. We don't link when we in it. We don't link when we out it. Yo, my brother just nod at me. My brother just nod at me. They want like fuck the clout. We don't link when we in the city. We don't link when we out of town. Track hawk race through the city. In the tent like Obama in town. Yeah, they want me kinda fishy. Know the real ones lay me down. Pretty Bronco lay me down. Hot me when I fake around. In the scat pack dash in the rack. Old lady gonna lay me down. Getting money in my mama hood. My dad live safe and sound. All the hoes thought I went to Kentwood. From the other side of town. Chauffeur by a bitch from the bird. Give me two when she know the route. My brother just nod at me. They want like fuck the clout. My brother just nod at me.
Whoa, young Sharky, whoa, hold up, yeah, look, whoa, hey, press y'all in my way, help me from the stage,
How's AZ?
It's whatever you fucking think it is,
Hello?
bro. Hello, little boy.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is that?
What's what?
What's Jamie got in his hand?
How is that?
What is that? Is that a rocket launcher or something? What is it?
Yeah, it's part of a rocket engine. I don't know if it's going to look good. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's just overload it and see what happens. Probably
Okay.
the best thing to do.
Don't blow yourself up, Jamie.
It'll be fine.
Okay.
Blow yourself up in the name of content.
Yeah, blow yourself up in the name of Nick. Ooh.
Fuck.
In the name of Nick.